All right guys, today I'm going to show you how we smoke a tenderloin here. We're going to use our Boss Tabletop Pellet Smoker. So give me just a minute, we'll get her set up. So this is the smoker. For today, we're going to set it to 225. We're going to let that heat up. Get my grill brush and stuff out of here. And let this heat up. So we're going to get this set up. We've got it set to 225. We're going to get our tenderloin ready while it's heating up. And I'll bring you guys back. So this is what we're doing. Doing the Jim Beam Smoky Barrel barbecue sauce, Kinder's wood-fired garlic dry rub, and then of course we're going to use our Everglades seasoning. It's just a good all-around season. And we're having Bush's Grill and Beans with the Southern Pit Barbecue. Here it is, 230. We got it set at 225. We'll come back and check it in about an hour. All right, so it's been out here for about an hour. So our internal temp right now is 140. We need it to be about 150, 145, 150. I've already flipped it once. Doesn't that look amazing? And I made a mistake earlier. We're not putting barbecue sauce on it. We got spare ribs that we're gonna do later this week, and that's what that barbecue sauce is.